Okay, now see. What is the scenario is Windows TR MS Paint. Now observe, this is the local state file. Try to understand. This is the local state file. Okay, good. How many members can access local state file? Who is the owner? Assume he is the owner, he can access. You are the another administrator, one more person, another administrator. These two persons, these two persons cannot access, these two persons cannot access this local state file. I hope I understand. I am giving this way. Three are administrator. This administrator got created, that's why he is able to access. You know the procedure. Where is that remaining options? Remaining. Okay. Okay. He is only can access. He is only can access. To avoid such complexity, what we did, I think everybody know what we did. We created one bucket. What is the technical word in this scenario? What is the technical word? Anyone respond? I think maybe 2 days ago we discussed it. You may forget. What is the concept? Terraform backend. What is the concept? Terraform backend. Terraform backend is nothing but what? That is S3 bucket. That is very simple answer. S3 bucket. Anyone respond how to write this code for Terraform backend? Anyone respond how to write? We can write like this. Terraform, Terraform, open curly brace. This is the block. This is a closing curly brace. Within that, backend, backend, S3, open curly brace, again closing curly brace. There you need to pass three arguments. What are the three arguments? Anyone respond? I hope you remember. I hope you remember. One is the bucket name. One is the bucket name. What is the second one? Key. Key. What key contains? Key is equal to path of the file. Key is equal to path of the file. What is the last one? Region. What is the last one? Region is equal to maybe US East one. Up to this, I hope you remember. Up to this, I hope you remember. What is the advantage of this? Suppose this local state file we are moving to remote Azure. This local state file we are moving to remote. That state file here is available. That state file here is available. What is the advantage of this? Again, these three administrator, he can access this, he can access this, he can also access this. Such type of scenario already we have seen. Everybody got the clarity here? If anybody having doubt, please respond. I think no. But what is the drawback here? What is the drawback here? He can run parallelly, he can run parallelly, he can run parallelly. There is no concept of auto locking. There is no concept of auto locking mechanism. Auto lock. How to add auto locking mechanism? Anyone? I think are you there or not? There, right?
Yes,
Yes,
deep
Oh,
sir.
oh. What is? Please respond by using
DynamoDB.
DynamoDB. Now, what is the argument there? What is the argument? What your answer is correct, but specific argument I am asking. Dynamo Dynamo DB underscore table name. Dynamo DB underscore table name is equal to that table name unit. Dynamo DB table is equal to that table name you need to mention. There, at the time of creating DynamoDB table, we are using log ID one argument. Log ID one argument. For which purpose we are creating log ID? For primary for primary key purpose. This concept clearly everybody know it. I think clear, right? Same concept I am enhancing by using which concept? By using workspace. By using workspace. What is the advantage of workspace? What is the workspace? This is the logical This is the logical group or logical area. Logically, logically, we can create, we can create multiple, multiple areas or multiple areas. How to create logically? See, I am having only one. Assume that is the local state file. This is the local state file or remote state file. Only one state file is there. Only one state file. I want to create. Generally, by using state file, what we can create? We can create a resource. Yes, already we did. But my intention is this resource is create. I want to create with T2 small. Assume I want to create with the T2 small. T2 small. But which purpose I want to create? For a development purpose. In the same way, by using same resource, by using same file, I want to provision one more resource. Here, assume this is here for a testing purpose. For a testing purpose, here I want to create this is T2 actually. T2. Here also T2 micro. T2 micro. Here, what are the two different things? Here is also EC2. Here is also EC2. But two things are changing. Here is instance type is T2 small. Here instance type is T2 micro. Here is what is the workspace is development. Here workspace is testing. But how many Terraform files are there? With one Terraform file, I want to provision different resources by using the concept of workspace. By using the concept of workspace. Here, if you want to work with workspace, what is the first command? Anyone can guess it? Terraform, Terraform, workspace, workspace, hyphen help. Terraform workspace help. If you use Terraform workspace help, what you may get? Terraform, Terraform workspace new one command. What is the use of new? Create a new workspace. Create a new workspace. I hope you got the clarity. If you want to see all the workspaces, if you want to see all the list of workspaces, Terraform, Terra, Terraform, workspace, workspace, just a list of, list of all all workspaces. If you want to remove any workspace, can you guess it? What is the command? Terraform, workspace, workspace. Just I'm guessing. Just you are guessing. Delete.
Delete or
Delete.
remove.
Then only delete here. Only delete. Next. If you want to display add to workspace. If you want to see add to workspace, can you guess it command? If you want to see add to workspace, Terraform, Terraform, workspace, workspace, just to show, we can see add to workspace. We can see add to workspace. Any other is there? Any other is there? I want to switch from one workspace to another workspace. What is the? I want to switch from one workspace to another workspace. Here Terraform workspace, workspace select. Terraform workspace, workspace select. The name itself selecting a specific workspace, a specific SPE. I think spelling right or wrong. Specific workspace. Show means here is the add to workspace. Add to workspace. Delete means remove, remove workspace, remove workspace. These things already but I may show you once. After that, we'll move to Windows key or CMD. Then I may go to D drive. In my D drive, dir, there I may go to Terraform or my with one name is there. I think my, okay, dir, my star, there my anyway, my Terraform example, cd, my Terraform. I may create one simple example for easy understanding. Even if you want it, I can write from the scratch also. If anybody facing difficulty, tell me. I'll write from scratch. Already, whatever we did in previous classes, same thing I used. I didn't add new things, but only workspace I added. Now see, DA. Hmm. There you can identify any one file. Based on that, I will start discussion. See, I may remove Terraform related. See, del star te star dot te star, not deleted, spelling mistake, del, delete here. I think deleted, dir, any other, not deleted, not delete. I want to delete. Okay, del dot terraform. Is it directory? Yes, sir. If it is directory, how to delete it? Anyone respond? Rd remove directory dot terraform slash r slash q slash, that is in Windows. In Linux, simple command, right? What is the simple command? rm hyphen rf.
RM.
rm hyphen rf. He is not able to understand that one. We'll do another way. Now rd slash question mark. Slash s slash q slash s. But I given what? Slash r slash s slash q. Now check it dir. Is it removed, right? Is it removed? I don't want state files. I don't want state backend. I don't want state and backend. Please guide me. I think that is not a directory. Terraform.tf state d. That is also I don't want. Okay. Del te star. With the T related, I don't want. T related means again test also remove, right? Terraform only. Terra, Terraform, Terraform dot star. I don't want. Terraform star. I want. I don't want. Now dir check it. And now only our actual resources. Even this one also I don't want. Terraform dot tf state dot d. Terraform dot tf state dot d. This one also I don't want. Yes. Now dear. Now only specific files are. Now again there. That is directory. Please observe. Directory. How to remove? Please respond. rd terraform dot slash yes. Got it? Slash
Yes,
q
SQ.
slash q. Now dir. These are the original files. These are the original files. I think where is our main? Main is there? Yes, it is there. No problem. Now shall I open main? Shall I open main? Here is notepad. Notepad main.tf. Main.tf. There AWS. Okay. Even this one is required. AWS underscore VPC. Can I increase font or maybe visible? I think now it is okay.
Yes, sir, visible, sir.
Provider, no need to explain. Everybody know it. This resource AWS underscore VPC. This one also, I think if you want it, we can take it. Otherwise, remove it. This is also not necessary here. Not necessary here. We are using default VPC. We are using default VPC. There, I'm not taking these things. I'm not taking these things for your easy understanding. Even this one also, I don't want. Good. Now check it here. AMI getting from AWS account. This line everybody know. Amazon Machine Image instance type. What I specified here? Where dot instance type. Where is there means again somewhere one dot tf file is there. What is the tf file? Variable dot tf file is there, right? From variable dot tf file you may get it instance. You may get it instance. First you will go and check it. In variable dot tf what it is there. In variable dot tf what it is there. I may minimize. I'm trying to open. Where is the variable dot tf? Identify here. My vars dot tf file. Notepad. Notepad. My, my, where dot tf. Just observe and tell me what I specified here. Please respond. Did I specify any default value? Did I specify any default value? Anyone can observe and tell me. See, variable is instance type, type is string. Generally, we can specify or not. What you want to specify? Anyone can just respond. Default. Default is equal to. Generally, you may give T2 medium, T2 micro. Generally, we may write, right? Are you agree with me or not?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, yes.
Here, suppose not there. What happens? If not there, what shall we do? At least guess it. This is we discussed in previous classes. If not mention default, if not mention default at runtime at CLI, you must pass. Have I identified? At runtime at CLI, you need to pass. Why I didn't use default? If I specify default, static. Static means fixed. Suppose I want to create a resource for development, I want to create a resource for testing. For development, for testing, both workspaces can take same default value. My intention is what? I don't want to take statically, I want to take dynamically. If you want to take dynamically, you don't specify default value, you specify which argument do you want. Which argument do you want? Instance type. When do you want? When do you want? At runtime. At runtime, dynamically you want to access. Till now you got the clarity or not? Tell me. Why I didn't mention means
Yes, sir.
I need to access at runtime. I hope you got the clarity. You need to pass manually. Suppose you don't want to pass manual at runtime, you want to pass statically at runtime, I may go with some other. I may go with some other. What I did observe. Again, DIR, you get the clarity. See, dev dot tfrs is there. Observe here. Dev dot tfrs one file I got created or not? I'm opening notepad dev dot tfrs. Now check it here. What I mentioned here, what I mentioned here, instance type is equal to T2 small. I want to
T2
create
small.
for a development environment, which type of instance I want to create? What is my intention? I want to create one instance with T2 small, T2 small. I hope you got it. Instance type I mentioned, statically I mentioned, T2 small. Where I mentioned within dot tfrs file. This one also already we discussed in one class. Some people may not attended. That's why I'm again and again I'm specifying. In the same way, test.tfrs is there. Observe test.tfrs. Notepad, test.tfrs. Now check it here. What is the name I mentioned here? T2 micro.
To micro.
In previous scenario, what is the name I used? Same T2 micro.
T2
Small,
Yeah,
small,
yeah,
small.
you got it.
small.
One is the small, another one is micro. Now little bit clarity you got it, I think. According to my diagram, observe. One is I want to create with T2 small, another one I want to create with T2 micro. For dev environment, T2 small. Maybe names are maybe same or different, leave it. In one environment, I want to create one type of instance. Another environment, I want to create some other type of instance. Maybe possible? Yes, it is possible. What is the advantage? Without touching main.tf file. Without touching main.tf file. See, did I change? Did I change in main.tf? No. Dynamically at runtime, I may pass those values. How can I pass? That is my intention. That is our advantage. Now I go for some more things are there. Check it. Any missing is there? This one, test.tfrs already we have seen. Myvars.tf we have seen. Now again I am coming to the main.tf. Notepad main.tf. Any missing is there? We'll check it and tell me. Any missing? Any missing? Actually, I removed all these things, right? Again, we got it here. We don't want all these things. We don't. Control yes. Now observe and any difficulties they're asking. This line, Uh, at runtime from CLI, you may pass this one instance type. For a development related instance type. For testing related instance type. Everybody know key name. Key name. Maybe Terraform key, maybe till yesterday we used. Yesterday for some other I created over there. That name I'm using. Even security group. Generally AWS security group IDs I used. Have you agreed with me or not? Previous classes. AWS underscore security group underscore IDs. When? If you use here, I think I removed, right? Manual I created on security group, that name I added. This is the manually created security group name. Now observe, very, very important. We are discussing which concept? Now, sir, anyone can respond here. We are discussing with which concept? Workspace. We are discussing workspace concept. If I use terraform.workspace, automatically that will get it default, that is get it default in the sense current workspace. You may ask me, how can I see current workspace? Now see terraform, terraform space, spelling correct only, right? The workspace, list, workspace list. Any problem? TRRAF for Terraform workspace, list. How many workspaces are there? Observe and tell me. By default, whenever you install Terraform, if you want to work with the Terraform, how many workspaces are there? By default, one workspace is there. By default, one workspace is there. Now you tell me how to create my own workspace. That is the development workspace I want to create it. Terraform workspace. What is the name, Sudhir? New dev.
New sir.
In the
New
same
dev.
way, I want to create which workspace? Yes,
New test.
test. Now, what is the active workspace now? Till now we don't know, right? Till now we don't know. Terraform workspace list. Now, which is the active workspace? Test. Now, I want to create a resource for which one? Development first. My intention is I want to create a resource for development. If I apply Terraform apply, it may create a resource for which workspace? Test. My intention
Test.
before testing, we need to create development environment. Maybe someone may develop, development is over, then we are moving to testing. If testing is over, we may go for production. We may go for okay. Am I audible? Hello.
Yes, sir. Audible, sir.
Here power cut is the just I changed my internet connection. I think everything is clear. I think now we go for continuation. Which one? I want to create production also. Please guide me. Kishore, guide me. How to create workspace for production? Terraform
Terraform.
workspace,
Terraform.
workspace.
Workspace with
Ah, After that, one small word is
this
there.
after then
New, new,
new
prod.
yeah, okay, sir. Product.
Clear? Now see, I want to see all the workspaces. Terraform, workspace list. Now my intention, Srinath Garu, I want to move to development environment. I want to move to development environment because of I want to create a resource for only development. Anyone can guide me? I think already here I given some commands. Observe and at least interact with me. I want to switch. I want to switch from one environment to one workspace to another workspace. How can I?
Terraform workspace select.
Very good. Terraform
Terraform
workspace
workspace
select.
select.
Yes, Terraform workspace
Select.
selected. Tell me which workspace. That is important. Dev.
Dev. Dev. Oh, sir.
Once it is, once see, switch it to. That's what I use the word switching. You know the word. I think maybe a little bit program knowledge, whoever having, those who know the word, maybe an operating system one word is that. The word I think again I'm writing, this is the technical word. Context SWTCH, right? Context switching. What is the meaning of context switching? Very simple. Maybe one marriage function is going on. There they're having plates here. Maybe some people are sitting, they are eating. Maybe one boy will come with sambar, one boy come with maybe a different dishes, right? Just first he will something he may place here. Automatically he will go here. Why he will go here? See, this rice is over. He may come here. He may give something. Again, here already there. Here already there. Here he finishes. That's why what he will do? He will go on. He will go and give some extra rice. Got it or not? This is the concept of technically context switching. After a minute, what he will do? Again, he may come for from here to here, or he may go for from here to here. Are you understanding or not? This is the concept of context switching. Is it clear for you? Context switching means we can pass on means ఎక్స్ దగ్గర ఉన్నారు. వైకి అవసరం ఉండొచ్చు ఉండకపోవచ్చు. జెడ్కి మూవ్ అయిపోయారు. మళ్ళీ జెడ్ నుంచి ఎక్కడికి రావచ్చు? కేకి రావచ్చు. కే నుంచి ఎల్కి రావచ్చు. హౌ మెనీ పర్సన్స్ ఆర్ డూయింగ్ దట్ యాక్టివిటీ? ఓన్లీ వన్ పర్సన్. ఓన్లీ వన్ పర్సన్. ఆ పర్సన్ ఎవర్రా అంటే ఇక్కడ మైక్రో ప్రాసెసర్ అండి. యూపీ. ఐ హోప్ యు గాట్ ద క్లారిటీ. కాంటాక్ట్ స్విచ్చింగ్ చేసేది ఎవరండి? మ్యూపీ. 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 That MP I am writing microprocessor can do context switching. Now I hope you got the clarity. Now I am in which environment? Kishore, I am in which environment? Dev.
Dev and
How can I see exactly I am in dev environment? How can I know exactly I am in dev environment? How can I
Terraform
say?
workspaces.
Terraform? Tell me Terraform workspace. After that one small word
List.
is there. Show. Terraform workspace.
Show.
Show. The current workspace this is. Current workspace. Got it or not? I want to see all the workspaces. Everybody know. Everybody know. What is the command? List. Clear. Clear or not? See, I don't want production, Sudhir. I don't want production. What I may do? Terraform workspace. Delete. Delete. Yeah, okay. See, deleted workspace prod. Now Terraform workspace. Sure. Now I am in dev only. Now shall we go and create development workspace? Development resource. For development workspace, I want to create a resource. That is my intention. DA. What is the command? First command Terraform. Terraform init. Everybody know it, right? Terraform init. It is downloading plugin for HashiCorp AWS provider. It's mobile internet. That's why it is downloading slowly. I got a power within 2 minutes. I may move, I may context switch to that broadband. Mobile internet, it may work very slow. Yes, everything is okay. Now please guide me. Terraform, Terraform. Generally, you know Terraform apply, right? Here you may get an error. We'll tell you. Here we may get an error. What happens here? Terraform apply, I'm giving. Anyway, it may ask. See, instance type. Is it asking or not? That's what I said. Instance type.
Yes, ask.
Now, So there you may ask, sir, I don't want to give here manually. I want to pass specific file. Specific file. Control C. Again up arrow. Terraform apply. Hyphen where hyphen file. This is very important interview question. How can you pass static values at runtime? Not at in the code. I want to pass static values at runtime by using which argument? Hyphen var file is equal to we are in development, right? Dev dot tf vars. I hope everybody understood. What is our file name? Development.tfvars. Development.tfvars contain which one? Please respond. Instance type. What is the instance type? Maybe T2 micro, maybe T2 small. Leave it. That one automatically. There we know it. Shall I press enter? Yes. I don't want to pass manually at runtime. I want to pass statically at runtime. Yes. Because of one argument, we can pass, okay, even 100 arguments are there. Can you pass 100 arguments one by one at runtime? Very complex, right? By using one file. What is the file there? dev.tfvars. Dev.tfvars. Now we'll go and check it that resource got created or not. What is the specialty here? What is the specialty here? I'll show you. That is important here. Concept is common, but the specialty we need to see. Specialty we need to see AWS, AWS, AWS. Console login. No, I want to change my connection. Where is my 5G? 5G is not visible for me. There, Geo Fiber. Where is Geo Fiber 5G? Okay, not visible. Okay, anyway, wait. Now sign into the console. Resource creation is not important. For this resource, what is the name was created is important. Right. Now see the specialty here. I given confirmation yes. Now check it here. What is the name was created? Please respond here. Anyone respond? What is the name here? This is important.
Dev instance.
Dev instance. Did I specify dev instance? No. Where it is available? Dev.tfvars file contain this. Actually, dev getting from workspace. I'll show you. Dev getting from workspace. Instances I mentioned. Now here important thing is observe. What is the instance type? T2 small. T2 small.
Small.
Once again, I'm giving clarity for you. Please observe. I'm opening notepad main.tf. Here, very important. Here, observe. What is the tag name I took? What is the tag name I took? Terraform dot workspace. What is the current
Workspace.
workspace? This total thing is nothing but dev only. This total thing is nothing but dev. After that, what I mentioned here?
Dev.
Dev. This one. That's why system is taking dev hyphen instance. Again you check it. Again you check it. What it is there? Is it clearly dev hyphen instance is there or not? Yes. What is the instance type? T2 small. Now you may tell. I want to create a string related instance. Please guide me. If I rerun once again, observe. If I rerun once again, notepad, not notepad, here I may use test dot. It may give test hyphen instance or not. Anyone respond? It may give test hyphen instance, maybe or may not. Anyone respond?
May not, sir. I
May
think.
not. Why? Where I'm in. Current workspace
We
is
are
dev.
in
First I need to context
dev,
switch,
that's why
right?
it's not.
First I need to context switch. That is important. How to context switch? First we need to check Terraform workspace show. Yes, I am in dev. I want to see first all. From that all, where you want to move? I think Terraform workspace all only, right? What is that? Terraform workspace
List, sir.
list,
List.
list, list. Yes, list. Hmm. On which workspace you want to move? Test. You know how to move. Terraform workspace.
Test.
Select, test. Now guide me. I don't assume. Now guide me. I am writing from the scratch. Terraform, apply. After that, hyphen, var, hyphen file is equal to test dot tf tested. Every interview they are asking this question. How to pass at runtime our own values. Generally, system will take from .tf file, .tf file, variable.tf file. Variable.tf is there, but which is the higher priority? TF-vars file is the higher priority. Which is overriding? Variable.tf file is overridden with the help of test.tf-vars. దీన్నే జనరల్ తెలుగులో చెప్తాను. మనకు వేరియబుల్.tf ఉంది, అందులో వాల్యూస్ ఉన్నాయి. ఈ ఫైల్ ఎప్పుడైతే మెన్షన్ చేశానో అందులో ఉన్న వాల్యూస్ అన్ని దేనిలో ఉన్న వాల్యూస్తో రీప్లేస్ అవుతాయి? test.tf-vars ఉన్న దానిలో రీప్లేస్ అవుతాయి. అంటే ప్రయారిటీ దేనికి ఎక్కువ అండి? tf-vars ఫైల్కి హయ్యర్ ప్రయారిటీ. వేరియబుల్.tfకి లీస్ట్ ప్రయారిటీ ఉంటే దీనికి హైయెస్ట్ ప్రయారిటీ. అంటే ముందది చెక్ చేసుకుంటుంది, ఓకే గుడ్. దాని తర్వాత దీన్ని చెక్ చేస్తుంది, ఇది ఉంది కాబట్టి దానికి లీస్ట్ ప్రయారిటీ ఇచ్చి దీనికి హైయెస్ట్ ప్రయారిటీ తీసుకుంటుంది. నౌ ఐఎమ్ గివింగ్ ఎంటర్, automatically you can identify. Automatically resource will create. Yes, I am giving enter eval confirmation. Up. రియల్ టైంలో ఈ యూస్ కేసును రెగ్యులర్గా వాడతారు. Just moving to here, just refresh it, we can easily identify. Tomorrow morning we may go for the discussion. Terraform providers, provisioners. Terraform provisioners. That is also very important one. Terraform provisioners. I may refresh. See, like that we can create multiple resources with multiple different arguments. Now check it here. This is just tag names very easy to manage, but instance types not an easy to manage. But by using .tf-vars file we can easily manage. Now I want to remove these resources with the help of Terraform manifest only. Terraform manifest only. First I want to remove dev related. Please guide me. Sudhir, you tell me. I want to remove this one. I want to remove this one by using what about Terraform destroy command. Terraform destroy command. I'm going to here. First I'll go for Terraform
Test.
workspace, select Terraform
Test.
workspace, select dev. Got it or not? Dev.
Dev.
Now Terraform, just destroy Terraform, destroy. DSTR DSTR. Directly we can use Terraform destroy. We'll try it. Is it asking any other thing or not? Terraform. Actually, we need to pass that .tfs file also, but anyway, I'm trying what it may
Okay.
expect. See, instance type is expecting, right? For that, you need to go with the Terraform destroy hyphen var hyphen file is equal to, tell me
Where
here,
dev
dev dot tf
dev dot
vars. This is important.
was.
Got it. Now we'll go and check it. That resource is removed or not. Automatically it may remove. Within 5 seconds you may get the message. What about shutting down? You may get the message. Shutting down. Did I give confirmation? No, I didn't give. First you need to give confirmation. Now you come to here and check it now. Now see automatically. Now you want to see that one also. Clear filter. You can see that message. Where is the shutting down? Check it here. Dev instance. What happening? What happening? Shutting down is going. Now once it is clear, once it is completed, once it is finishes, we may go for which one? Testing girls. Testing girls. Now, Kishore, you tell me, how can I remove? How can I remove test related resources? How can I remove test related Terraform
Terraform.
workspace? First, you need
Search
to
for
check
Terraform.
Terraform workspace. Terraform workspace first list. There test is there or not? Yes. I want to context switch to test. You guide me.
Yes, sir.
Terraform workspace.
Terraform space
Select,
can
select,
test it.
test.
Select. Yes.
Good. What next? Terraform, Terraform, destroy. Hyphen var file. This is regularly asking question. Through which argument? Through which argument we can pass user defined variable values. User defined variable values. This is a user defined variable values we can pass by using which argument? Hyphen verify. What is the file name? What is the file name?
Test.
Any name dot pf vars, generally syntax. But here in this scenario, we need to use test dot, right? Test dot. When you go there and check it, will give the approval. Suppose I want to give dynamic approval. I want to give dynamic approval. I want to give dynamic approval. How can I pass? Hyphen AUT auto ABP ROB. This is the dynamic approval. You need to pass. Generally, you come to here, automatically that will start. Now just refresh here. It will move to shutting. I hope you got it or not.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Please practice. Tomorrow we may go for different types of what I said. Uh, provisioners, right? Provisioners.
So,
Okay. We'll see tomorrow morning what is provisioner, what are the different types of provisioner, where to use, why do we use, those things we discuss. That is also regularly asking question. Okay, thank you. If any doubt is there, ask me. Otherwise, we'll wind the session. We'll continue tomorrow. I want to stop.